At 6:18, turning to weather right now, we are in for a pretty mild Tuesday, but Lindsay, you are tracking overnight snow moving in later tonight.
We have some snow tonight. We have some more snow on the way on Thursday, and I know it's leading into a very busy travel weekend as well. So the good news is the weekend looks pretty good, but I am highlighting tonight we have some snow on the way that'll be likely an inch or less, but that can have big implications because whenever it's an inch or two, this is usually when we have the most accidents, and that will linger into early Wednesday morning with some slick spots possible. The next round of any kind of precip, that's going to be happening on Thursday afternoon, lingering into Friday morning. This one likely will accumulate a little bit more, and I'm still deciphering some of those weather models for you. And the reason being is because we have to see what happens with this one before we can determine the timing of this one, which completely determines how much snow you're going to get. So stay tuned. We'll have the latest. Either way, the slick spots are going to be happening Wednesday morning, Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and Friday morning. Those are kind of the areas that I think and the timing I think that we have some slick spots likely. Still looking at some gusty winds out there. The winds are gusting right now upwards of 20 miles an hour. This will die down through the day. We had these gusty winds overnight last night. Temperature right now, very, very mild. Look at that. 38 in Milwaukee, 33 near Watertown, 34 in Muskego. During the day today, we kind of top out where we're sitting now. If you're in Milwaukee, you're starting off the day a little cooler, but you top out in the upper 30s. So we'll dip down a little bit, I think, by 8 o'clock, and then we'll start rolling our way back up going into midday. And by midday, I think we could get maybe a peak of sunshine. But for the most part, it is going to be breezy and cloudy today. Now let's go to the next 7 days. Overnight tonight, we have that light snow, and then we have that early morning slick spot. Thursday, late morning, early afternoon, we'll have some snow starting, lingering through the overnight hours into Friday morning, and then a cool down ahead as we head into Saturday, Sunday, which directly follows a big warm-up going into the week of Christmas. So our temperatures are all over the place, and almost every other day we have some kind of snow chance in the forecast. Here's the first one coming up here, or I should say the next one. We had a system yesterday. This one is going to be pushing its way towards St. Louis, so we just get the northern flank of it right there, and it's not going to be a lot of snow. As I mentioned, it's kind of a quick little hit of light snow showers. There'll be some moisture in it, so it's not that fluffy type of snow. This is going to be the kind that's super easy to shovel if you even have to. And you can see right there the impacts. They're very, very limited. I'm looking at less than an inch of snow area wide. So this is not a big event, but it could have higher impacts, especially for Wednesday morning's commute. So it's a low amount of snow. The wind is not going to be a problem. The roads should be fine by the time you head out the door in the morning. But again, depending on when you leave and whether or not it can get all cleaned up, there could be some minor issues there. And visibility, I'm not worried about it because, again, the wind is not an issue here. The next weather system is going to be a larger one. It is a clipper coming in from Canada, which brings in colder air. So that's going to give us more of that snow amount because less of it's going to melt. And you can see it's arriving Thursday late morning, and it likely lingers into your Friday morning, and that will definitely cause some slick spots for Friday morning. Thursday's system is highly dependent on what happens tonight, so stay tuned for our snow amounts on that. Those road impacts will be Thursday evening, lingering into Friday morning. We cool down, Jaron, going into the weekend with the first day of winter on Saturday, and we warm back up. I actually have mid-40s for next Tuesday.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's Christmas.